Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our lecture of week number 10, part 2, that is lecture number 20 of our course Analysis of Algorithm for class BSSC 6. In this lecture, we will discuss the Prim algorithm and we will analyze the Prim algorithm. This is also a graph algorithm, and solve the graph and construct the MST from the given graph. Topic of this lecture are what is Prim algorithm, implementation of Prim algorithm and data storage, time complexity, practice problem based on Prim algorithm. First problem, we will discuss more than one problem here using Prim algorithm. Solution of first problem, MST of first graph, MST of first problem graph, and then first graph. Similarly, we will discuss the practice problem based on Prim algorithm. This is our second problem, solution of second problem, and this is the topic, and then MST of the second graph, which is given to us as a second problem. These are the topics which we are going to discuss in detail in our next slides. So what is Prim algorithm? This is our first slide. What is Prim algorithm? Prim algorithm is a famous greedy algorithm. This algorithm is called greedy algorithm because it searches the adjacent node and jump to the lightest weight edge of the adjacent nodes. So because adjacent node is called the node which has a single edge from source to that node, so there may be more than one edges and more than one nodes, and there may be more than one edges in between those nodes. So this algorithm will look at the weight of the edge and will capture the lightest weight edge first, and then it will move onward. That is why it is called Prim algorithm. It is used for finding the minimum spanning tree of a given graph. Give a minimum spanning tree. To apply Prim algorithm, the given graph must be weighted, connected, and undirected. These are three conditions. Prim algorithm is applied on a weighted graph, which is fully connected graph, and which is undirected graph, that is it is often not a directed graph. Implementation of Prim algorithm. The implementation of Prim algorithm is explained in the following steps. Step 1, randomly choose any vertex. Here the root vertex is not decided in the start, but one can choose randomly a vertex as a root or the starting vertex. The vertex connecting to the edge having least weight is usually selected. The vertex connecting to the edge having least weight is usually selected. Find we select a node whose edges incident on that node have least weights. Find all the edges that connect the tree to new vertices. Now this new vertices which we have randomly selected, we will find all the edges. Find all the edges that connect the tree to new vertices. Find the least weight edge among those edges. No, because every node which we process, we take start from and process through prim algorithm, and they gradually become the part of a tree. So that is why the vertices which are going to become the part of tree, their adjacent vertices are analyzed, and least weight edge among those edges is selected, is find out, and include it into the existing tree. If including that edge create a cycle, then reject that edge and look for the next least weight edge. We have to break the cycle. We will reject those edges and we will ignore those edges which will create cycles, and will include the remaining edges. If it is a light edge but it is creating cycles, so we will ignore it and reject it. Step 3, keep repeating step 2. This step is repeated again and again. That is, adjacent nodes are selected and least weight edge among them is selected and become the part of tree, and then step 2 is repeated again, and until all the vertices has been processed. That is why keep repeating step 2 until all the vertices are included and minimum spanning tree is obtained. This was the whole implementation of prim algorithm. What is prim algorithm and what is the data storage? What is its data storage? MST prim. This is prim algorithm. This algorithm gets a graph which is the combination of set of vertices and set of edges. Also, weight on the graphs. These are the weight on the edges. This prim algorithm gets the weights, and also a root node which is passed to this prim algorithm. For each u belongs to V of g, key of u is equal to infinity and pi of u is equal to nil. Here you may see this is V, which contains all the vertices of the graph, and key is infinity, infinity, infinity. So key of u, when we process these nodes one by one, firstly A, we assign the key infinity, then B, we assign the key infinity, and parent is nil. This loop process all the nodes and make the key of those nodes infinity. You may see it here, the infinity. You may also see it here. Every node, H is node and its distance is infinity, I is node and distance is infinity. V of g, vertices of the graph. All the vertices of the graph contains the vertices label and their key value infinity. This is done through this for loop from line number 1 to 3. Key of R. Let's suppose this arrow shows that A is our R node. R, the value of R is A. Here you may see we pass the starting node A as a root node, so R is equal to A. So the key of R, that is key of A, is equal to 0. The key of A is made from infinity to 0. So you may see it here. This is A node and its key is 0. This is A node and its key is 0. So this is initialization phase, when all the nodes key value become infinity. At the end, the R node key value is replaced from infinity to 0. Q, because this was our vertices, set of vertices of the graph. So we assign this set of vertices of the graph to Q. These are the labels and these are the keys. So we separate these. This row contains the label and The bottom row contains the keys of those vertices or those nodes or those labels. So this line, row number 2 contains the keys, and row number 1 contains the set of vertices. This is Q. This is first node, key is 0. Infinity is the biggest value, 0 is the small value. Q contains the vertices of graph. Vertices of graph has been assigned to Q. While Q not equal to 5, we firstly clear the concept of some terms here. And W of UV, what is W of UV? Let's suppose U is equal to A and V is equal to B. Then W of UV, weight between U and V, that weight between A to B is equal to 4. This is the weight of edge, and this A to B denote an edge, and W means weight of this edge. From A to B an edge exists, A to B an edge exists, and weight of this edge, it is 4. W of AB means weight of edge AB is equal to 4. We will use this terminology here. We will find the edge. Now, what is the key value of B? Here you may see in the set key value of B is infinity, while the key value of A is 0 and weight is 4. So here we will compare weight of UV, that is weight of AB is equal to 4, less than key of V. The value of V is B. Key of B is equal to infinity. So 4 less than infinity, and V, that is B belong to Q, that is yes, B belongs to this Q. Firstly, this root node or initial node whose key value was given 0, we extract this node here. Extract min of Q. These are the vertices in the list of Q, and these are their key values. All the nodes has largest key value, that is infinity, except A. A has smaller key value, that is 0. So extract extract the node which has the minimum key value in the Q. So A has the minimum key value. This value is assigned to U. U contains the value A. Adjacent of A are two values. One is B and other is H. These two values are, so adjacent of U mean adjacent of A is equal to B and H. Adjacent of A is B and H. These are two values. Firstly, we consider A. Adjacent of U, there are two values B and H. We assign first value B to V. B contains the value B. Here in the memory you may see B contains the value B. So the weight of U to V, that is weight of A to B, is 4. Weight of U to V, that is weight of A to B, is 4, and key of V is infinity. 4 less than infinity, and B belongs to Q. Yes, B belongs to Q. This node has been deleted. Extract mean deleted from the key. This is overstrike. We have overstrike the A and its value. This has been deleted, but this is still the part of Q. So the if condition is true, that is the B belongs to Q, and W of weight of A to B, that is 4 less than key of B, that is infinity. 4 less than infinity. Whole condition is true. Parent of B is equal to A. A is made the parent of B, and key of B is equal to W of UV. Now the key of B has been changed, and the W of UV, that is 4, is assigned the key value to B. You may see it here. This was actually the a little bit storage information and the algorithm. This algorithm will work. We will implement this algorithm on a graph, and we'll see all the implementation. You may see that we select a node and find the adjacent node, and then see the minimum weight of the edge among those adjacent node. Time complexity, worst case time complexity of prime algorithm is O of E log V using binary heap. If we use binary heap, then its time complexity is O of E log V. If we use Fibonacci heap, then its time complexity O of E plus V log V. There may be different approaches, either binary heap or Fibonacci heap. So, time complexity analysis, if adjacency list is used to represent the graph, which we have discussed in our lecture number 17 related to graph category, then using breadth first search, all the vertices can be traversed into O of V plus E time. We traverse the vertices using breadth first search algorithm, and it takes O of V plus E time, and then we find the adjacency of those vertices. We traverse all the vertices of the graph using breadth first search and use a min heap for storing the vertices not yet included in MST, which are not included in MST and which need processing. Those vertices are traversed using breadth first search algorithm, and a min heap is constructed. To get the minimum weight edge, we use min heap as a priority queue. Being in the previous some lectures we have used the priority queue, that is extract min queue or max queue, and here we will use min heap instead of priority queue to find the minimum weight edge, because it is greedy algorithm and it attack on the minimum weight of the edge and include that edge into the tree so that the path become the shortest path. That is why we use the min heap instead of priority queue and find the minimum weight edge. Min heap operation like extracting minimum element and decreasing key value takes O of log V time. This algorithm takes heap always takes log of n or log of V time. That is why its time will become O of log V. So overall time complexity will become, this is the time taken by the breadth first search, and this is the time taken by the min heap. So after multiplication, O of E plus V log V, this will be the total time, or we will take the dominator term, that is O of E log V, and we will multiply log of V with V and E. There will be two terms, log of E, O of E log V, and plus O of V log V. Dominator will be E log V because it is largest term. There are more edges than the vertices in the graph. That is, E log V is the dominator term. O of E log V will the time taken by the prim algorithm. This time complexity can be improved and reduced to O of E plus V log V using Fibonacci heap. Fibonacci heap is more efficient than the min, but we have discussed in our previous lecture the min heap and max heap. That is why we will accept this time complexity, and we will use the concept of min heap. Practice problem based on prim algorithm. First problem: construct the minimum spanning tree for the given graph using prim algorithm. This is the graph whose MST is required. So this is the root node, that is R will be this node. We will start from here. In step 1, we will assign the root node value 0, while the other nodes contains the value infinity, and these are the weights of the edges in between the two vertices. This is an edge and its weight is 10. This is an edge and its weight is 28. Many edges. We will start from the root node, that is 6, node number 6, whose key value is 0. Here, this 6 number node contains 2 adjacent nodes. This is 6 number node and its adjacent node is 1 and its adjacent node is 5. So this node has been processed, whose key value has been changed from infinity to 0. This node has been processed, and here we will insert a here we will make a cutting lane which will cut all the edges of the adjacent node. 1 is adjacent to 6 and 5 is adjacent to 6. So these are two edges which we will cut from this lane. This is cutting lane. From left of this cutting lane are the nodes which have been processed and become the part of MST, while at the right side there are unprocessed nodes. These all nodes are unprocessed nodes. So cutting lane will change and will separate the two part of the nodes, one part which has been processed and the other part which is still unprocessed. So cutting lane is cutting two edges, and the weight of this edge is 10 and the weight of this edge is 25. Because prim is the greedy algorithm, it attack on this edge and select this edge. So here in our MST we will take this edge, and as we have discussed, the weight of the edge become the key of the next node which is adjacent to this root node. So weight is 10, it becomes the key of this one. We have discussed in detail this processor in the previous slides where we have discussed the algorithm. Next, these 5 nodes are unknown, while these 2 known node has become the part of tree. This link shows that this there have become a tree. Now we will insert the cutting lane here, which will separate these 2 nodes and these 5 nodes. You may see it here. These 2 nodes has been processed. This was the cutting line, and these 2 nodes has been processed, but these rest of the nodes need processing. So this cutting line separate. Here you may see that this line is cutting these 2 edges. This node is process node, tree node, and its adjacent is 2. This is process and its adjacent is 5. So the weight of this edge is 28 and weight of this edge is 25. It will attack on this node, this edge, and process this one, and this weight will become the key of next adjacent node. So here we have developed the edge in between 6 and 5, and the key of the 5 is 25. Next, now these 3 vertices have been processed. These 3 vertices have been processed, while the rest of remaining. So we will place an edge here. You may see it here. We have placed edge here. This edge is cutting this. This cutting edge is cutting this edge of the graph, and this line of the graph, and this line of the graph. These 3 edges have values 22, 24 and 28. The light one is 22, so we will accept this edge. We have accepted this edge, and this weight is assigned to next node 4. 4 key value has become from infinity to 22. Next, we will place an edge here like this, and these 3 will be unprocessed and these 4 will be processed node. Because 4 node has been processed, and 3 are unprocessed. We will place an edge like this way, which will separate the processed and unprocessed node. You may see it here, and this edge is cutting. This cutting edge is cutting the edge of weight 28, and this 24 edge of weight 24, edge of weight 18, and edge of weight 12. These 4 edges has been has under the cutting edge. So the light weight among these edges is 12. So 12 will be selected, and this 3 node from 4 to 3, we will construct this edge in the tree, make the part of this edge in the tree, and the weight of key of these 3 node will become 12. Key of 3 become 12, and this node has been selected. Now these 5 nodes have become the part of this is tree, MS tree, while these 2 nodes are still contains the key value infinity. So we will make an edge like this. We will separate it from these nodes. So our cutting edge is this one. This is cutting the edge, this edge, this is 28 weight, 24, 18, and 16 is. Light is 16, so 16 will be selected. 16 has been selected, and the 3 to 2. This adjacent node contains the key value 16 from infinity to 16. Here it was 16. The key value of 2 becomes 16, while the key value of 7 is still unknown. So the next part is this. We will process it in this way, that this will be separate from other one. That is this, like this Jew, we will separate it. It will become one side, and other will become the outer side, inner and outer side. So this was the edge. Which has, this was the edge which are linked, that is 7 is linked with 2, with 4 and 5. So all the edges are cutted with this cutting line, and the weight of this edge is 24, 18, and then 14. 14 is the light. It will be targeted. So this edge is selected as an MST, and this weight has become the key value of 7. So key value of 7 is 14. We have discussed this processing in detail in our previous algorithm. Now we will construct the MST from this figure. So key value of 6 is 0. This is the root node. So its left is 1 and right is 5, and then 5 is the parent of 4, and 4 is the parent of 3, 3 is the parent of 2, 2 is the parent of 7. This will be like this. From 6, 1 is on the right side, and the 5 is on the left side, and all the childs are below there. 4 is the child of 5, 3 is the child of 4, 2 is the child of 1, and 7 is the child of 2. Next we will also discuss a second example of Prim algorithm. This is a graph whose node value is A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G. Weights are there, and this is undirected graph. All the 3 conditions are satisfied. That is, it is undirected, weighted graph, and solutions to second problem. The first, step 1, step 2. This was step 1, where we have selected the root node and assign the value 0 to this root node. Next we will find the adjacent node of this search node. A was the root node. So we place the cutting line at here, because these two B and C are the adjacent node of A, and the edges of these adjacent nodes are cut it with this cutting line. And at the left side, A is the processed node, while at the right side all the nodes are unprocessed. This cutting line will decide that which edge has light weight. This edge is 1 and the weight of this edge is 5. So 1 is the light weight. This being a greedy algorithm, Prim algorithm will select this edge as an MST. So it developed a link between A to B, and the weight of this edge become the key value of B. So the key value of B become 1. Next, it will place the cutting edge here, because A and B has been processed. So at one side of the edge there will be processed, and at other side there will be unprocessed edge whose key value is infinity. The key value of these edges is in infinity. So we will place the cutting edge here. As you may see it here, this is cutting edge. There are 7 edges under this cutting edge. Edge having weight 7, edge having weight 8, edge having weight 4, and edge having weight 5. 4 is the light weight. So Prim will attack on this edge and will make the part of MST. So this edge has become the part of MST, and its weight has become the key value of C. So key value of C is 4. Next, because this tree node has been processed, it will place the cutting edge here. At the left side the process, at the right side the unprocessed node. We will see it here. So this cutting line is cutting the edge having weight 7, this edge having weight 8, edge having weight 6, and edge having weight 2. 2 is the light weight. So Prim algorithm will select this edge as the part of MST. So this edge has become the part of MST. Here you may see has become the part of MST. These 4 node has become the part of MST, while these 3 are rest of the nodes are still weighted to become the part of MST. So next, and its weight has become the key value of F. So key value of F become 2, from infinity to 2. Now we will make the cutting edge like this way. At one side of the edge there will be process, at the other side of the edge there will be unprocessed node. You may see it here. This is the edge. These 3 were the unprocessed node, while these 4 were the processed node. Cutting edge here, the 7 under the cutting edge there was many edges. This edge contains value weight 7, this edge contains 8, this edge contains value 6, this edge contains value 9, and this edge contains value 3, and this edge contains value 12. So 7, 8, 6, 9, 3 and 12. 3 is the light weight. Computer will attack at this this edge, and this edge will be become the part of tree, and its weight will become the key value of E. Next, because this has been processed, this is the single node which is just remaining. So cutting edge will separate the processed and unprocessed edges like this. So it will cut the line number this 10 weight and 12 weight edge will be cutted. You may see it here. So this edge contains the weight 10, this edge contains the value edge 12. 10 is the light weight, it will be selected, and this 10 weight of the edge will become the key value of G. Key value of G become 10. Now this is our MST after step 7 steps. Now we will arrange it, because this was the root node from A to B, B to C, then C to left D, and another child F. C has two child, D and F. You may see it here, A to B, B to C, C has two child, D and then F. F is the parent of C, E is the parent of G. You may see it here, F is the parent of E, F is the parent of E, and E is the parent of G. This was the MSc. This was the end of our lecture number 20.